Summer residential governor schools provide high school juniors and seniors in Virginia and beyond with intensive educational experiences in visual and performing arts, humanities, medicine and health sciences, mathematics, science, technology, marine science, and engineering. Each summer residential governor school focuses on one special area of interest. Students live on a college or university campus and interact with academics and industry professionals and are immersed in hands-on experiences. Students in the Visual and Performing Arts program study alongside humanities students at Radford University. Students may audition for the program to study in the art areas of instrumental music, vocal music, visual art, dance, or theater. The program accepts 250 students per year. Those accepted will engage in a college experience while honing their crafts with an emphasis on portfolio building. Performers will gain insight from faculty and industry professionals and boost their auditioning skills. Students will have access to state-of-the-art studio spaces in a variety of disciplines while making friendships that will last a lifetime.
It's been really joyful working alongside these students. I think what brings me the joy is that they're so interested and they're so interesting.
When I saw the program and I was like, oh, this seems fun, I'll audition. But in my head I was like, there's no way I'm getting in, right? It's super prestigious, super high level. And then I auditioned and I made it past the school level and then, the county level, and I made it to the states level, and I was like, oh my gosh, I might actually have a chance at this. Then I got the email and I was absolutely blown away.
I've been involved in theater since, I'd say, 6th grade. And I think it wasn't up until last year, or the year before, where I realized this is what I needed to do. This is what I truly found joy in doing.
They are creative and smart and are really interested in jumping into just about anything you ask them to.
They get 3 weeks of just art, and they're not really getting graded for it. They're just learning to love something even more than they already do.
It's just one big family, and especially in dance and in my dorm rooms. I just love it here.
All the teachers are super nice and super helpful. If you need anything, you can always ask them.
The students are here and they're expecting to learn how to grow and how to grow intentionally within their field of passion and how to find purpose with their passion. So what can they do beyond the classroom, beyond the stage, beyond the confines of an educational institution? What can they take with what they've learned? What can they do with it afterward?
They see the potential in us, and they really capitalize off that.
You really want difference, you really want to put yourself out there, and I got in and things have really been going well for me. I really tested myself here.
I think this whole idea of networking and collaboration, folks meet people here and then continue with them throughout their entire adult lives.
It's amazing. It's one of the greatest things you can do.
They have found a way to mentor us, given a lot of the people here are professionals in their field, in the field that they're teaching. So they found a great way at being able to mentor us and really guide us in the right direction.
To learn more about Virginia's governor schools, visit doe.virginia.gov.